Alright. PlayStation. It's not on. Got my controller here. The light's not working. As you see, they're not blinking at all. I'm pushing it. Alright. I don't have a cure for this, but I'm trying to find one. So if somebody can help me out, I'm gonna plug my piece up. You see it? My piece is plugging. Alright, the piece is plugged. Still no lights. Still nothing. Alright. Luckily though, I do have a second. One. It's plugged in right there. I'm gonna cut the PlayStation on. Okay. And there it is. Alright. Still plugged up. No lights. No lights. I don't think it's the plug. These are brand new plugs. This one is a brand new plug. I actually have another plug right here too. I plugged it in the wall. It didn't do nothing. Plugged it up. Alright, so I plugged this one up and got lights. Actually have an on light. So yeah. And you see it. And that's this I'm using. Just to give you this. This is what I'm using right here. But this is not working at all. I need some info on getting it fixed. What happened was somebody gave it to my daughter, and I don't know what she did. She went ballistic, I guess. Wasn't here. Hit me up on here. Non-working controller. A working controller. So I can unplug it. Still work. As we see. Yeah. That's me. Alright. Please give me some info on how to fix this freaking white controller. I just bought this PlayStation probably about like close to a month ago. Brand new PlayStation. Paid about too much. So let me know.